My brother Steve and one of my sisters had headed back to the mainland. I decided to send up the drone, seeing as it was a nice sunny day, to have a look at the marina and see why it's so attractive to fish. The marina has 2 resident sea eagles, and there are transient wedgetails in the area all the time. It's a good idea not to fly the drone too high unless you want to attract unwanted attention. The maximum depth is about 2 meters, and the bottom is a sort of silty sand with little outcrops of rock. My theory is that with winter freshwater flows coming down the valley, fish see this as a sort of creek inlet. Regardless, it's a great fishing spot. I'm using pilchard berley in a berley cage. Little bits coming out every now and again. I've got brim down in front of me here. Just let it hit the bottom and then slowly retrieve. See what happens. The bottom's fairly sandy, not so much weed. I'll get bites. It's like a brim. So there you go. Take up the slack, just bump it along the bottom. Right, another parrotfish or wrasse. Pain in the neck those things are. Take your baits and swallow the hooks. Leather jacket, it's a bit uncommon in here. I'm going to try half unweighted pilchard. I'm getting too much rubbish on the bottom. See if I can't pick something up mid-water. Well, that didn't really work. I got another bloody parrotfish. Well, this one's got a bit more fight. No, trevally. Not bad either. Good fight. No, trevally. Not bad either. Good fight. flathead. Here he comes. Nice one. I'm not holding by much. I'll have to be careful. So about a pound and a half, I suppose. Not holding by much. I have to be careful.
"24 hours later."
So back at my favourite spot in the marina, and my favourite rig, which is a half pilchard, hooked around the backbone, a hook halfway up, and then a half hitch around the tail to hold it in place. Short trace, no weight, and now all I have to do is wade through all the wrasse, the parrotfish, to try and get something of any quality. Got the berley pot in, pilchard mashed up, and high tide in about an hour and a half, so I'm hopeful. Slow retrieve, wait for the bites. Never know what you're going to get in here. I caught snook, even small mulloway at times. A little sweep.
The next day.
So back down at the marina, high tide in 2 hours. I've got the berley pot in and unweighted half pilchard with 2/0 hooks, just casting it into the berley stream and retrieving. I did alright yesterday, got about 30 fish. I'm hoping for maybe some trevally or another flathead. That'd be nice. Conditions are a lot nicer tonight than they were yesterday, so we'll see how we go. Slippery little suckers. Only small, but they fight like crazy. Oh, well, that was a good mullet, a big mullet. Blue-throated parrotfish. A squid grabbed the pilchard. I quickly switched to a squid jag on the other rod and managed to catch him.
A few moments later.
Another squid. Bastard. Bastard. Right, last couple of casts. Sun's going behind the hill, the tide's peaked, and I'm hungry. So it's been a good session. 5 trevally, 4 bream, a couple of squid, which were bycatch really, 1 nearly mullet, a zebra, and 1,042 wrasse. But never mind, you have to wade through the rubbish to get the quality sometimes. So just about stumps, I think.